This is Timmy Bird. He likes my computer keyboard for some reason a lot. I'm not sure why though. What are you doing, Timmy Bird? You tripped? But he likes walking around and just playing around with my keyboard and feeling what the keys are like. I don't know why. Maybe it makes him feel like he dances. So how do you feel? Timmy Bird? Is that your answer? Yes? Yes? Is that the answer to everything, dear bird? Yes, Timmy? How are you? Well done. Well, this goes to show that my bird is you want me to press a key? Timmy Bird. You realize like you're messing around and like my settings and stuff. Like I don't know what you could be typing, but I think Mom's whistling at you, but what's Timmy Bird? What's so delicious? What are you doing? You just scroll down the page of my computer. What are you doing? Timmy Bird. You messed up some of the pages. Timmy Bird, what more do you have to say? Is it your fault? Just cute and innocent. Well then. Well then. Too cute. Alright. Since you're going through my stuff. Timmy? What'd you do? You just like changed the screen again. Okay.